Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad looking absolutely great here. We saw, like I said, ICO launch of Monad, 25 cent, had a ton of hype, went up to 4 cent, instantly sold off from that 4-7 cent level and just instantly started to come back down, right? All the way down to 1-7 cent, right? And then everyone was declaring Monad dead. Crypto Twitter was like, oh, we knew it, this is a scam project, it's going to zero, we don't need another Elon, that, and the third. And then, started to climb up again at 185. I was like, guys, I think the bottom may be in for Monad. Now's the time to accumulate. And we were right. We called it on the channel. We were right. And it's just been up only since. Now Monad is sitting at 2823 cent, just a little bit under 306 million circulating market cap. And again, like I said, my price targets remain the same for Monad, up to $1 to $3, with the circulating supply being at 10.83 billion, right? Once Monad gets to 10.83 billion in market cap, that puts it at $1, right? So to compare, what projects are at 11 bill market cap? Let's see, okay? Because look, like I showed you guys, CoinMarketCap ranks projects by its circulating market cap, right? So as you could see, Monad is not in the top 100. So we're gonna go back to page 2, right, for where Monad is located. Look at how far down Monad is. I'm still not seeing it. Still not seeing it. Where is it? Still not seeing it, right? Did I pass it? It's so far down the curve that I'm looking for it. Where is it at? Oh, there it is. It's 132. I forgot it got to 300 mil. I forgot Monad is up 30%. So it's not at 250 mil anymore. It's at 306 mil now. It's up 30%. If you go, let's take a look. If you go for the top 100, let's go to the crypto bubbles. But if you go for the top 100 to 200 coins, guess what's the best performer here, right? That's not a meme, right? Monad up 29%. Hey, go to crypto bubbles, man. Look at that, man. Holy moly. Look at how bullish that is, man. Go to crypto bubbles real quick. Show you guys the top 100 to 200, right? Top 100 to 200. I don't know why it's not showing me Monad on here properly. Like, I don't know why it's not showing me Monad. I don't know. But if we go to CoinMarketCap, you can see Monad right now. If you sort by the 7-day, oh, I know it's because it's crypto bubbles only show like the daily percentage gains, not the weekly. So I just have to switch by week, right? And then I'll see Monad right here. Okay, yeah, there you go. So on the weekly, one of the best performers on the weekly for Monad right here, right? But isn't that insane, guys? On the weekly, from the top 100 to 200 coins, when we got Dog with Hat, Brett, Fart Coin, and all these other things. Celestia, you guys remember Celestia? Radium for Solana, the DEX of Solana. Monad is up, one of the highest projects that's up in the past week in the crypto bubbles at 27.9%. CoinMarketCap shows us it's the second best performer on the week, up 30%, right? And let's go back. Let's put that back to normal. Let's put that back to normal real quick, okay? So if you go down to 305 mil, Monad is at 132. So it's currently below Sandbox. It's currently below Dog with Hat. It's currently below the Graph IOTA. And if you go to the top 100 to the top 100 projects, look at what Monad is below, man. Let's go all the way down. Scroll, okay? Because we got to see where it's going to be at when it's at 10.8 bill market cap, right? So it's below something called Starknet. I saw some people talk about Starknet before, right? Celestia, Pippin. Pippin has a bigger market cap than Monad right now. if that is an undervalue. Why I'm laughing, because Pippin is a meme coin. They don't even tweet on X. This meme coin that doesn't tweet on X. Just whatever they're doing with the leverage, push the price up, right? In Binance, of course, Binance doing whatever they're doing as usual, right? But Monad is below this meme coin in market cap. It's below Floki. It's below SVX 6900 monad, right? It's below say. Okay, look at how many projects. Yo, the upside for monad is crazy. You guys don't know. It's below ICP. Who uses ICP? I use ICP before to try to get, I was on all the chains trying to find my next opportunity. And I was like, yo, ICP, the on-chain setup sucks so bad. No disrespect to the project, but the wallet was so janky. The swaps felt so, off. Like the user interfaces were so like off. And we're below ICP. Let me see. Okay. I could say, okay, we're below Pepe. But Pepe just a meme coin. We're below Pepe. We're below Shiba Inu. I'm telling you, you know what? I'll be happy when Monad gets up here, up to number 19 and flips like Litecoin and Sweet. When it gets up here, I'll be like, okay, now we're not as undervalued. Now we're kind of like not as undervalued, right? But this is where Monad should be. This is the area of concern where Monad's, sideways price action should be right here next to Sweet, Litecoin, and Stellar XLM. That's where Monad should be. Will be, and okay, under Bitcoin Cash. The under Bitcoin Cash. So if Monad gets above Bitcoin Cash, Monad is like at $1.30, 20 cents. Monad gets above Bitcoin Cash. Under Bitcoin Cash is crazy. Oh my gosh, with the amazing tech of Monad, and it's under Bitcoin Cash, man. Like that has to change right now, man. It truly does, man. It truly does. Let's take a look at X. See if I have any Mon charts. Any Mon charts that are interesting to see, man. Okay, altcoin Sherpa showing love to Zcash and Mon, saying these are projects you should definitely take a look at. Okay, I like it. I like altcoin Sherpa's posts. They're very insightful. Oh, somebody trolling. Mon is going to zero. Oh yeah. He has it flipped upside down. I was like, whoa, what is this? He has it flipped upside down. So Mon going to 7 cents. He rage baiting us, man. He clickbaiting us. Oh my gosh. And you should see, no unlocks for 11 months. Small market cap, top developers, new product, total hype. Only Monad. There's simply no other. And this is the thing. You can't say total hype, man, because there's actually stuff that has been built here. There's actually communities that have been flourished, or new what's a good word, nourished, revitalized, or created for years, right? The Monad community has been building for years with the developers. So it's not total hype here. It's legitimate fundamentals that are finally gaining the traction of what they deserve, right? So TVL for Monad constantly increasing. 267.34 million in TVL, right? The TVL has been constantly increasing. And like I said, look at the stablecoin adoption. 405 million stablecoins. The higher the TVL rises, this isn't even just this isn't even just a theory, but this is what we've seen statistically in all other L1s. When there's stablecoin adoption, when there's more people on the chain, when there's people locking their Monad or staking their Monad, or adding to LPs with other tokens built on the chain, NFTs being traded, and tokens being traded on the chain, the TVL rises. And when the TVL increases, so does the price action. So, excuse me, Monad is in a fantastic spot right here. And, I think we'll continue to see success. We should not be below Bitcoin Cash. Monad should not be below Bitcoin Cash, right? And again, like I said, you hear what your CryptoPunk says here. No unlocks for 11 months, right? So when I told you guys the big unlocks don't start until November of this year, we have a year for Monad to make a move to like crazy valuations. Obviously with the unlocks, that's when the circulating supply changes, right? But we have a year to get to 11 bill market cap. so you could get that dollar monad before the circulating supply changes, which would, I think, it's crypto moves fast. I think it's possible, man. I think this year it's very possible. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.